Hello, it's Paul from Heine, UK. Today I want to show you the wiper blades for Renault Captur Mark 1, manufactured between 2013 to 2020. We have lots of messages from customers. They struggle to find correct wiper blades on the Renault Captur. The reason why it's because there was two types of wiper arms on this model. The size is always the same. It's a 26-inch wiper blade on the driver side and 14-inch long wiper blade on the passenger side. From 2013 to February 2016 there was a BAYONET lock arm, looks like that, and from March 2016 it's a top lock B type. Be aware, if your Renault Captur is a 16 plate, it might still have BAYONET lock, because 16 means it was registered from March 2016, but if it's manufactured before that, it will still have BAYONET lock. Now I'm going to show you how to remove wiper blade from BAYONET lock and fit new one on the same arm. To take off BAYONET lock wiper blade from the arm, you have to put the wiper arms up and just pull wiper blade up from the arm. To fit Heine wiper blades on the BAYONET wiper arm, you need to BL adapter. It looks like that, and you have to put the adapter onto the arm. Hit click, it's blocked, and then you can attach wiper blade to the adapter. You will hit click, so wiper blade is secure on the wiper arm. Yeah, so now it's time for removing a wiper blade from top lock B adapter on Renault Captur manufactured between March 2016 to 2020. All you need to do, you need to press this little plastic end of the adapter to release the wiper. You can remove it easily, and if you have the same type of wiper blade, you can fit it this way. So now first back of the adapter and then click. I will remove it once again, and now I will fit top lock B adapter to fit Heine wiper blade. We need to open the end of the adapter, place it on the wiper arm, and then lock the adapter on the wiper arm. Now we can attach the wiper blade to the adapter. Yeah, job done. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any inquiries, please comment down below. If you would like to see fitting video of any other type of wiper blades or specific cars, please comment as well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.